discuss on how to evaluate functions. So, diretso na tayo sa example. So, if we have f of x equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 1, evaluate the following. So, letter A, f times a. So, then B, f times negative a. Then C, f times the quantity of a plus h. Then D, f times a plus h. Subtract f times the quantity of a over h. So, first, anong unahin natin? So, letter A muna tayo. Okay, so f times a. So, how to solve for this given? So, i-replace lang natin yung x dito. Okay. So, ang si x magiging a na. Si x magiging a. So, ang given equation natin is 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. Replace x, ito, 2a. Ito. So, si x magiging a. That is evaluating a functions. Ulitin ko, si x magiging a na. So, si x magiging a. So, try to change the value of x. So, magiging equals 2. So, si x magiging a. Kung anong nakalagay dito, i-replace mo yan sa x. So, 2a squared plus this one maging 3a minus 1. Ito na yung final answer. Tandaan, 2a squared plus 3a minus a. That is example number or letter A. So, ang value nito is 2a squared plus 3a minus 1. Okay, next. Let's proceed to letter B. Tandaan ha, si x magiging a. Example, letter A yan. How about for letter B? So, sa letter B, so that is f times negative a, or the value of x is negative a. So, equals, ito yung given natin, that is 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. Replace lang natin yung x sa negative a. So, ang value ng x nito, ang x magiging negative a. So, that is 2. Kupihan lang natin yung numerical coefficient times, ano yung value ng x natin? That is negative a squared plus this one magiging 3 times negative a, then subtract 1. Next, simplify 2, ito, negative a times negative a. So, meaning negative times negative magiging positive. So, positive. A times a, that is a squared. So, magiging 2a squared. This one, positive 3 times negative a, positive times negative equals negative. So, 3 times negative a magiging negative 3a. Then, subtract 1. So, this is your final answer. So, answer number or letter B, that is 2a squared minus 3a minus 1. That is the answer for letter B. Next, let's proceed to letter C. Ano yung letter C natin? Letter C natin is f times the quantity of a plus h. That is the value of x. Evaluate functions. So letter C, f times a plus h equals, value natin ng f of x, that is 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. Replace the x, variable x, to a plus h. So si x magiging a plus h. So that is 2 times, i-replace natin ito, that is a plus h squared plus 3 times, again, value ng x is a plus h minus 1. Then, simplify. How to simplify this one? So, magiging 2 times ito, a plus h raised to 2. So, meaning multiply a plus h times a plus h. So, a times a, that is a squared. Then, a times h, that is a h. And this one, that is a h. Then, last term is plus h squared. So, that is a squared plus 2ah plus h squared. So, a plus h raised to 2, that is equivalent to a squared plus 2ah plus h squared plus ito, distribute this one, distribute. So, 3 times a, that is 3a, then 3 times h, that is 3h minus 1. Next, need to simplify again. So, distribute this one. So, distribute. So, magiging 2 times a squared, that is 2a squared. That is 2a squared. Then, 2 times 2. So, that is 2 ay 4 na ito. 2 times 2, that is 4a h plus, distribute mo ulit yan dito sa last term. So, that is 2h squared. Then, plus 3a minus 3h minus 1. So, tingnan natin yung sagot natin kung merong like terms. So, 2a squared, merong like terms ba? Wala. 4ah, wala. 2h squared, wala. Plus 3a, wala. Minus 3h, wala. Okay, so this is your final answer. Final answer. So, letter C, yan na yung sagot. So, letter C, wait lang muna. Sulat natin. So, letter C, the answer is 2a squared plus 4ah plus 2h squared plus 3a minus 3h minus 1. Okay, next, how about for letter D, ang last natin, last value. Okay, shout out muna tayo. Kung what if x ang x, sir? So, yan din ang sagot. Kung ano yung given, that is the final answer. Kung ang x is x. So, that is the final answer. Mr. Shemuel Hontiveros. Gusto kong makinig pero may exam kami. Sayang. Bukas may exam kayo. Sir, sa next live nyo po, turo ng piecewise function. Sige. Mataas kayong mataas kasi yung piecewise functions, yung mga problem. So gandang gabi, shout out muna tayo ha. Si Shellybet Ukat, piecewise din po. Sige, try natin kasi mataas yung problem ng piecewise functions. Kay Aisa Makunti, good evening. Okay, let's proceed to letter D. So letter D, ito, so F times the quantity of A plus H, that is for letter C. So ito na yung equivalent niya. So that is 2A squared plus 4AH plus 2H squared plus 3A minus 3H minus 1, then subtract ito subtract ito, the value of F times A, that is example letter A, so that is 2A squared plus 3A minus 1 over, so H lang. Lagyan natin ng F dito, F ito, so we need to distribute pa rin ito. Since H lang yung given, so H din, just copy. Okay, so next, simplify natin ito. So kopyahin mo na yung first equation, 2A squared plus 4AH plus 2H squared plus 3A minus 3H minus 1. Din dito, i-distribute natin yung negative sign. So negative times 2A squared, that is negative 2A squared. Then this one, negative times 3A, so that is negative 3A. Then negative times negative 1, that is positive 1 over H. Next, simplify. Tingnan natin. So 2A squared minus 2A squared, so ma-eliminate ito. Eliminate. Next, ano pang ma-eliminate dito? 3A and negative 3A and positive 1 and negative 1. So the remaining value is 4AH plus 2H squared, then ito minus 3H over H. Then simplify. 4AH divide H, so remaining is 4A. Then ito plus 2H squared divided by H, that is 2H. Then negative 3H divide H, that is negative 3. So ito na yung final answer. So that is the final answer, 4A plus 2H minus 3. So any question? May tanong? Question, everyone? Sige. Solving rational equation. So ito na yung final answer. 4A plus 2H minus 3 for letter D. Okay. So that's all for today. So bukas, anong gusto niyo i-discuss ko bukas? Try to comment. Maliban sa piecewise functions, kasi mataas yung problem ng piecewise functions. Rational equation, meron akong rational equations na discuss. Tingnan mo na lang yun sa page ko, Miss Aisha Makunti. Tingnan mo na lang sa page ko. Marami akong solving rational equation dyan. Tingnan mo lang. Ano pa? Ano na yung topic nyo? Ano na yung topic nyo sa GenMath? Kasi discuss natin. Wag lang yung activity ng mga teachers ninyo kasi bawal yan. Paano kayo matutunayan kung activity ang inyo bigay? So dapat yung mga example lang na hindi yung activity nyo. Sige. Okay, wala na. So that's all for today. Good evening everyone.